Hello and hi, my name is Immersive. So today I would like to present my final year project. The title is Immersive Virtual Reality Training for Performance Test of Patient Monitor, supervised by Madam Ku Li Chi. Alright, now for the introduction. This project is focused on developing a virtual reality training system using Oculus Quest 2 VR to doing the performance test of patient monitor. So how we do the performance test? We're using the patient simulator Flight Processing 8. Right, so it's aimed to provide a realistic and interactive training experience for biomedical students and also for the biomedical engineering department. Alright, now for the problem statement. For the first one is the high cost traditional training method, and then the second one is because of the limited access to the patient simulator, and the third one is for the safety risk of the potential equipment damage. Okay, so now how we want to solve the problem? So for the objective, I have the three objectives. For the first one is to implement the alternative real-world training platform using Oculus Quest 2 virtual reality, and then the second one is to develop a performance testing simulation that can eliminate the medical safety risk by using the IEC standard. And then the last one is to analyze VR data collection through the virtual reality training. Alright, now for the scope of this project. So for the first one is for the target user or for potential of the commercial this project. This is focused for the biomedical engineering department and also for the nurse or any medical staff, right? Because of what? Because we can do the training performance test. Also, we can see the result of the output based on the waveform and then the value reading. Okay, so for the hardware, we're using the Oculus Quest 2. We're also using the patient monitor Philips MX700 and also patient simulator Flight Processing 8 for the software. I'm using the Unity to develop the simulation, and also I'm using Blender for the 3D design. Alright, so for the output, like I said, output based on the 5 parameter, is it for ECG, SpO2, NIBP, temperature, and also heart rate. Okay, alright, now for the significance of this project or for impact of this project. So for the first one is to support the ecosystem in using the electricity, and then the second one is the performance test is one of the important step that we need to do in PPM, because we need to make sure that the equipment get the correct value of the patient. And then the last one impact of this project is to immerse a user in a fully virtual reality training. So means a user will feel in a reality scenario, means user can see the 3D view in the VR. Alright, like you guys can see here, I go so many medical centers to collect the data to develop this project and make this project success. So I'm go to the medical center to collect one by one data, and then I develop one by one using the Unity as a simulation and using 3D as a 3D design. So without waste our time, let's we go to the video to see how the simulation playing or how the demo of this project. Right, let's go.
Okay, after the select guide button, user can choose whether want to read the script for how to play or maybe just can see the video. After it's done, click back button to go main interface, then can play the simulation. First, user need to select the cable one by one to make sure the user understand the type of cable and also know how to connect each cable. So, user need to connect all the cable to get the output and timer for each season training. After user done connect all the cable, user can choose for normal reading first and see the output waveform and reading value. After that, user also can choose reading for abnormal heart rate like tachycardia, bradycardia, and the last one is asystole. After all done, timer will stop.
Okay, wait, before I forgot. So basically this project is already approved by the vendor and also the biomedical staff from Avicenna Specialist Hospital and also vendor from the PPE resources. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.